Here with Tim Ferriss, the 4-hour guru who has given us all a 7-minute workout. So give you energy in the middle of the day, take you places you never thought possible. Take it away.
All right, so we have a couple of different exercises to work with. The first one, I'm going to run through the list. QL walk, that's quadratus lumborum.
I sit down.
And that is the grand central station of your back. So this is where we get into all sorts of trouble. This is borrowed from Donnie Thompson, who's a very, very, very famous power lifter. Okay, hands up. You could hold a weight, and this is very simple. You're just going to walk your butt cheeks forward, right, left, right, left.
You're kidding.
Right, left, that's it. And then you'd go backwards. 1, 2,
Why would a
3,
power lifter
4,
want to do this?
5. So this is somebody who squats more than 1,000 pounds. So it looks ridiculous. This is one of the most powerful men on the planet. Now here's another one. You can go clock. So you go clockwise, and of course you can go back and forth. And you'd spend just a few minutes on this, literally 2 minutes. It's a fantastic lower and mid-back warm-up. That's it. And to make it a little bit more challenging, you would hold on to a weight of some type.
And keep your posture straight.
That's
Keep
right.
your strings
Posture
pulling your head
straight,
up.
and then walk your butt.
Do you get rashes on your bottom from doing this?
If you slide down sandpaper, then it'll be terrible.
No,
but
it's
as
not.
long as you're on a floor, you're good to go.
All right.
And then the second one we can actually do from this position. So this is called pike pulse, and this is from Coach Christopher Summer, who is a former national men's gymnastics team coach. And so this is gymnastics bodies. And the way this works is surprisingly hard to do. And you can make it easier or harder. So you're going to walk your hands out, legs straight, knees not soft. So you're gonna contract your quadriceps. Walk your hands out, and then legs completely straight. Try to lift your heels.
Try with your heels?
Yep.
Jeez.
So you walk your hands back until you can get there.
Oh my goodness.
And then you just do reps of this. And this
That is hard, Tim.
This is active flexibility. And not only that, but this will help really develop your ab strength and your core strength.
How long do you do that for?
You would do anywhere from, say, 10 to 20 repetitions, and start easy, say by your knees, and then walk
This
out.
I could do. But you sort of lean back, I guess, if you cheat.
So that's why you want to do it against a wall.
Oh.
So you can't cheat.
Yeah.
You don't want to rock. And
No,
so you'd have a wall behind you, and then very important, knees locked, and if you want your feet to look a little prettier, toes pointed.
It's called a pike twist.
This is a pike pulse.
Jeez.
Very hard, deceptively difficult, so you can get a great workout no matter where you happen to be. It's super, super time and space efficient.
Okay.
All right, so the next one, this will be fun to do. So we're gonna do some acro yoga. This is
Acro yoga.
Acro yoga. This is acrobatic yoga, and I'll show you.
It's always bad if the shoes are coming off.
When the shoes are coming off, you know we're getting into trouble.
Get mine off too?
You can actually keep your shoes on. So what we're gonna do here is we're gonna rotate 90 degrees, so you're gonna stand up. And this is a fantastic technique, and it's surprisingly easy to learn. So it's in Tools of Titans, it's very easy. And I will just demo. And this is great for back pain and many, many other things, hip problems. So I'm the base, he's the flyer, okay? So you're gonna walk up until your feet are right about here, spread your feet a little bit. Now I'm gonna put your hands on my knees.
Put a disclaimer, please, somewhere on the screen.
So put your hands right about here.
Okay.
And we're gonna do this, inhale, and then lean down and put your shoulders in my hands. Okay, so now I'm gonna pick you up.
Oh my goodness.
All right, so now you can let go with your hands. And from here, I've wanted to do this for years, Mehmet, and here we are. So if you put your arms behind your back and grab either your wrists or your elbows if you can. All right, now from here, you wanna keep your legs wide, okay, and toes towards the ground, meaning just legs heavy. Now put the soles of your feet together kind of like a butterfly stretch, yep? Now, that's good enough. So as long as you can see your toes, you're good. Now what we're gonna do from here.
Now let's go.
Now I drop them. No. So from here, I want you to inhale, exhale.
Whoa.
Yeah.
Whoa.
And then inhale, exhale.
Oh, you're kidding me.
And you can do all sorts of fun stuff. Now, just for bonus points. So legs heavy again, toes towards the ground, closest to the ground as possible. Now let go with your hands. Arms to the ground. This is called folded leaf position. And then you can do all sorts of interesting things. And even go into some traction for the back. So hands, give me your hands, man. And then feet down, and you're good to go.
Oh my goodness. I just say, it was sensual, not sexual.
It was sensual, not sexual.
Yeah. All right, what's leg love? That sounds bad.
So leg love just gets better and better.
Oh, God.
So I'm gonna do it to you. That's always where things go sideways. If you lay down, please. And this is my agenda, I'm afraid. Sorry you guys have to watch this, I'm sorry. All right, so what he would then do for me, since I had him up on my legs are using quite a bit of strength, is you would pick the person up by the Achilles like this, by the feet, and then just get them to relax their legs. Tell them not to help. And you step in, stagger your stance like this. You're gonna turn the toes in so you can just lean back.
Oh my.
And this will also really decompress the hips and the lower back.
Now, this is heaven. This is worth doing.
Yeah, this is really easy to do, and I tell you, it looks silly, it looks really subtle, and it is.
It doesn't feel silly, that's great.
Incredibly, incredibly effective.
Oh, leg love.
And that is leg love.
Tim Ferriss. Take these tips, use them, make yourself more efficient.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss out on new videos to live the good life.